What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing fine. As for me, I'm doing great. So today, guys, I'm back with another interesting video. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen. So I want to prepare pilau. So kindly join me. Let's do this. So guys, these are my ingredients. I have onions. So for your pilau to brown, you must have a lot of onions. I have blended tomatoes. I have salt. I also have garlic and ginger. Here I have boiled meat. I have oil. I have my rice, nishaosha, it's clean. And I also have, for the spices, I'm using black pepper and pilau masala. So guys, the first step you need to do is lazima uweke mafuta yako. Napenda kuweka mafuta kwanza, at least ikuwe moto, then I put in my onions. The oil is hot, so you can add your onions. Yeah, so for the pilau to brown, you must have a lot of onions. Yeah. So just leave it for it to brown a bit. Then I add my garlic and ginger. And also make sure you fry your onions to avoid hizi za mwisho huku zisiungue. So just stir. So guys, what we need is the brown onions. So make sure your onions are brown, but zisiungue. Make sure they are brown. As you can see, zinaanza kidogo. So now the onions have been brown, as you can see. But make sure both has been brown. So continue stirring to avoid your zingine zisiungue. So just stir. Okay, you see the brown color. And at this point now, you can add your garlic and ginger. Give it a stir. guys, the aroma is so nice. Huh? So nice. So now I'll add my I'll put my meat. Give it a fry. And let me add my spices, Pilau masala. A little bit of black pepper. Then give it a stir. Then nitaongeza my tomatoes. You can also use tomato paste if you don't have the tomato. And guys, the aroma, huh? So nice. Smells so good. And now nitaongeza my salt. Give it a stir. So now, at this point, you can now add your rice. So make sure you stir it so that you mix it completely. So make sure you give it a good stir. So the next thing, I'm going to add my water. So my rice, I need 2 cups of rice. So I'm going to use 4 cups of water. Yeah. Take a stir. So now I'm just going to cover it and let it boil. So now my pilau has started boiling, so I'll just leave it to boil. Then I'll come back and check maji ikienda kuisha. I'll just come and check ndo hata nipunguze moto, cause ikienda kuiva you must reduce the heat ndo iive tu pole pole. So guys, you see now it's maji is almost delicious. So what I'm going to do is we just have to cover it with this foil. Let's cover it very well. Though your moisture, if you evaporate, make sure you cover it. And then reduce your heat. Yeah, reduce ndo ive sasa pole pole hapo. So guys, our pilau is ready. Show you. So if you want to fry your pilau, just use a fork. It's that simple, by the way, guys. And mmekuwa mkinunua huko nje pilau, so now you can cook it kwa nyumba. That's easy.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels.
So guys, I've prepared my kachumbari, so I'm going to serve it with this.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
so much appealing. So let me just have a taste of it. So delicious. Guys, so sweet. So just follow my recipe. It's very simple. Yeah, very simple. And you have your nice pilau. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Yeah, thank you so much for your support. Thanks for watching. So until the next video, guys, bye.